We're fortunate to have very great support from a number of experts, including from our HQs. We also have a full-fledged communication team in-house in Mogadishu. Rural communication is always important. In the context of Somalia, I think it's even more important because access for us to rural communities is not always granted for security reasons. Sometimes it's because of climate issues related to, especially in case of floods. So having the ability to speak to farmers through rural communication, through radio, is absolutely essential. And we have this system called Radio Ergo, whereby farmers have an opportunity to express any issues, questions that they have in relation to agriculture. And we get an update every week, and it's extremely relevant, important, and useful for us to understand what are the concerns farmers are having. This is a communication opportunity we don't have. We don't have always this opportunity to have a face-to-face discussion, exchange with farmers. So we extremely value rural communication, radio programs, more than in any other context I've worked in. I've learned in Somalia that people communicate a lot for various reasons. So whatever we do, whatever we say needs to be told. People need to be aware of it. And often we're being told inside FAO that what we're doing, the multiple activities we're doing at scale, and it's very diverse, is not very well known. And I think farmers equally are not necessarily aware of what we're doing. But I think where it matters is that we get the voice of the farmers. And I would encourage all the media, the companies and institutions that operate in Mogadishu to make that move, go to the field, give yourself the opportunity to talk to the farmers. I think we learn, we know what to do. I was talking yesterday about the agri-food system, and I was saying agri-food system is not about farmers understanding what we define as agri-food system and for them to understand, and then we say job is done, they have understood. It's the other way around. Agri-food system should be defined from what farmers perceive as their priorities, and then we define the concepts of agri-food system based on their needs, their preoccupation, their vision for the future. But yeah, look, I'm extremely pleased, and we want to do more about communication. We're doing a lot already, but there's much more we can do. And again, in a context like Somalia, where access is sometimes holding us back to go and see and discuss, radio rural communication is absolutely essential. It can go to radio, but there's also a wide outreach in terms of internet. It's becoming more and more used at field level as well. Of course, people have mobile phones as well. We're working a lot on solar power, so that people actually have the opportunity to connect and have means to speak and hear. Thank you.